Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss in Thinkorswim. So, to adding stop loss in Thinkorswim, there are many ways. So, I'm going to tell you one by one. So, first option is using the monitor tab. So, just open your Thinkorswim and then open the monitor tab. This will show your open positions. Right click on the position. So, simply find the position you want to add a stop loss for. Right click on it and select create closing order. After this, choose with stop. From drop down menu, select the option that include with stop. This will open an order window where you can set your stop loss price. And the second method is using active trader. So navigate to the charts tab and locate the active trader feature on the right side of chart. After this, click on price label where you want to set the stop loss and then click on the edit button to change the order type to a stop loss. And the third method is using the Thinkorswim mobile app. So simply open the ticker, pull up the stock ticker you are trading and then tap on either option to open the order window. So simply select buy or sell option which you want to do and then simply modify the order type to stop loss and specify your desired stop price. So that's how you can add stop loss in Thinkorswim. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.